Hello, welcome to Gatsby-Gh. This is your girl next door, Ifeora. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I styled my FashionNova top and bottom with two different fedoras, two different blazers, a neckline, and then a high heel. So if you like what you're seeing and if you're interested to see more, please hit the subscribe button, ring notification bell as well, leave comments, and then share to spread this video out. Let's get into the video. The key is to choose items that complement each other in terms of color and style. The first step is to select because we know of our top and then we know of our bottom. First step is to select a blazer that matches the outfit and color and then the style, followed by the fedora that adds sophistication to the style that you're trying to create. Next, you will choose a neckline or a scarf for the neck, a necklace or a scarf for the neckline, and high heel. A necklace adds glam, and then a scarf is going to add warmth, especially if it is in the spring or winter time. And then the high heel, obviously that's a given, it just adds, you know, glam, confidence, sophistication, everything that comes with, you know, luxury to your style that you're trying to create. Repeat the same process with the second blazer and the fedora to create two unique styles look, and by following these steps you are sure to create stylish and heart-turning outfit. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and then ring notification bell and also subscribe, leave a comment, and make sure you share. Thank you so much. But remember, just enjoy yourself. It doesn't matter whether you are able to create, you know, a perfect video or not. Just make sure you're having the time of your life, because as you can see, I'm having the time of my life and I'm just using my hands to cue the camera to take the photos, and that's what you see me, you know, throwing my hands all over. So when I did it, the black fedora actually matched this dress quite well. The red wasn't, but still the second blazer, it did the
What?